In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit your password on Google+. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So first of all, what you need to do is head over to Google+ and log into your account. And then if you want to edit your password on your Google account, what you can do is come over to the left hand side bar here, and as you can see, there is a couple of options. And the one we need in today's video is personal info. Once you click on personal info, as you can see now under basic info here, there is an option for your name, birthday, gender and password. Click on password, and then what that will do is it will redirect you over to this page. What you need to do now is log into your account just to verify that it's you. Once you have entered in your current password, you'll be redirected over to this page, and now you can enter in your new password. Once you have entered in your new password and you have confirmed it in the second box, you can simply click on this change password. And then once you click on that, as you can see, your password has now been changed. That's how you can go ahead and change your password on Google+.